15 passive income streams in 15 seconds. Welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you 15 passive income streams for 2021, and we're going to go through them at rapid pace in only 15 seconds. Welcome to the Momentum Property Education YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe because every week we share with you videos about property investing, about passive income, and how to take that next level in your passive income journey for financial freedom in 2021. So I hope you're excited for today's episode because we're going to rapid fire 15 passive incomes right at you in just 15 seconds. So hold on to your chair. Here we go. All right. Number 1, record a song. Number 2, write a book. Number 3, invest in crypto mining. Number 4, invest in a company, buy shares. Number 5, rent out storage space. Number 6, rent out a part of your garden. Number 7, sell advertising on your car. Number 8, sell an online course. Number 9, introduce 2 people that can do business and get a commission. Number 10, vending machines. Number 11, build a book review website and get an affiliate commission on all the books that are sold after your reviews. Number 12, create a patent and collect fees. Number 13, peer-to-peer loan and get interest. Number 14, do a venture capital investment. And finally, number 15, and invest in a crowd fund. Thank you so much. That was 15 passive income streams in about 15 seconds. And I'd love to share more with you in the future. Please check out our YouTube channel. We got lots of videos, including interviews with Kim Kiyosaki, Jordan Harbinger, Simon Zucci, other amazing people from all over the world. Make sure you subscribe because every week we got new videos coming out. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.